People learn in different ways. Some learn better by seeing what they need to know, while others learn better by hearing it. Still, others learn best by having hands on opportunities. In reality, everyone uses all three of these methods to learn to their best ability, even if they do prefer one particular method over the other. The good news is you are participating in video-based training. This means that you have the opportunity to see and hear instruction, and because you can replay movies as many times as you want, you also have the power of repetition to assist in your learning process. As much as possible, we also want you to be able to have hands-on experience. As they say, nothing beats actually doing it. This series is about applying Excel skills to the enhancement and analysis of, and communication and decision-making related to, effectively participating in business. In order to do so, you will need to have access to, or create for yourself, suitable Excel files. We'll be working with some files that already have data in them. That way, we don't have to spend a lot of time keying in data. You already know how to do that. By the way, as more and more people may be using touch-enabled devices, anytime I say things like click, you know that means any things like gestures that may be more appropriate. Likewise, typing information can be done on a regular keyboard, as well as an on-screen keyboard or even voice, depending on what you have. Now, let's get back to those working files. Sometimes we'll be using Excel templates from your installation or from the Office.com website. I'll be walking you through how to find these particular files. Other times, we may be using a specific file to demonstrate the features and skills we'll be discussing. You can technically use any Excel file that fits the need. It's always better if you can use your own data to work, but I don't want you to spend a lot of time trying to find or create files. So if it comes down to it, use the working files to work through the sample exercises that I'll be demonstrating. All of the working files can be found in the Working Files folder that came with your training package. Within the Working Files folder, you'll find folders for each chapter. If there are files that I use to demonstrate, you will find them here. And I'll be sure to give you those file names at the actual time in the training so you don't have to try to memorize them or find them on your own. If there aren't any specific files used for a particular chapter, I'll include a text document that says no files were used for this chapter, just so you know that nothing is missing. I know that time is valuable, and often we're viewing videos like these because we need to know something and we need to get it done. But I hope you'll invest the time to not only view them, but to also follow along and repeat the examples on your own to help reinforce your skills. Research and experience clearly shows that when a person sees it, hears it, and does it, they actually learn it much better than doing any one of those things on their own. With the hands-on practice, you'll be able to retain the information much better. After all, that really is our number one goal, regardless of who you are and what your specific purpose of viewing these videos is, that you gain skills that you can immediately apply to your business and that you be able to use those skills well into the future. I hope you enjoy your learning experience and take advantage of the wonderful opportunities Excel will provide to you and your business.